Hey guys, I have the Bose Companion 2 series. Let's unbox it. So in the box, it tells you that you get 2 speakers and 1 set of connection cables. So you get the manual right here, and the warranty. It's probably 1 year. You get the cable, audio cable, 3.5mm jack. So you get the speaker. This seems to be the left or right. This might be the left or the right. And there's a box in the middle. In the box you get a power supply. And then let's open up the speakers. This seems to be the right speaker. And this must be the left. Right there. There's nothing on the back here, and there's a cord. It says left speaker on the bottom of there. And this is the right speaker. So there's a little click that you get when you turn it to the all the way to the left. You turn it to the max. This is the volume control. Obviously you turn it all the way to the left and the power is off. There's also a headphone jack. On the back we have what seems to be a reset button, or it's not. So you just plug this in into the left speaker input, then with power supply you plug that in, and then you plug this in from the computer to the right speaker. And if you want to aux, you can aux by putting this into your phone or any kind of device, then into the aux input, then you can turn it on and play whatever you want to do. Here, let's get a closer look. To the left speaker, that's the top button. That means you just plug it from the left speaker. Mine's all the way there. And then there's the power. You just plug in the power cable that they give you. That's the aux in. And then we have the from the computer. I just set everything to 75, volume around 75. Even the monitor, I set it to 75. And then I control the volume from here. So here's what it sounds like when it's a medium. Or actually, it's 75. I turned it to 75.
없이 울려대던 내 전화기는 잠잠해져가 할 말을 잃은 것 같아. 정신없이 쏟아내던 그 모진 말들 주워 담지 못해 아마를 떠날 것.
Alright, yeah. That's about it. So, on a regular laptop, I have a MacBook Air. You just plug from the headphone, or you can actually plug in the aux cable, whatever. This to the on the bottom or the second bottom, and the bottom input is the from the computer. It has a weird symbol that you can plug in. My PC also has a symbol of it. If you look. Yeah, it's the green one. I plug it into the green one, then I plug it into that one right there, the very bottom. I bought this from Best Buy, and it was $11 off. Alright, hey guys. So it's actually been about 2 months since I've been using these Bose whatever you call it, speakers, that's what you call it. And overall, I'm I'm satisfied with the quality, with the brand, uh, the warranty. Yeah, the base is alright. Everything is alright. For what I paid was $99. It was $11 off, I think. And I think that was a good purchase. Well, not the best purchase. I'm pretty sure you can find a better one out there, but this satisfies me and it's worth. Oh, yeah, it's good for your money. Yeah, nothing unusual. There's nothing bad about it. I haven't had any issues. You just plug it in to your computer, then you have it right there. For me, I think it's my motherboard, but it's not working, so I had to plug into the monitor. There's a headphone jack behind the monitor. Then I plug into the. That's why it says. That's why it says. Oh, 4K monitor sound, because this one has a sound input on it, and I can control it. And yeah, everything's good. Everything's fine. Everything's working. I would recommend that you would buy it.